Hi dear friends, welcome to the 18th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. Question 1. Long-term capital loss can be set off in the following: A. 3 years, B. 4 years, C. 6 years, and D. 8 years. Option D. 8 years. Second one, which of the following deductions is not allowed to an assessee having income under the head profits and gains of business or profession? A. Section 80G, B. Section 80GGA, C. Section 80GGB, and D. Section 80GGC. Option B. Section 80GGA. Third one, which of the following donations is eligible for 100% deduction? A. Prime Minister's Drought Relief Fund, B. National Sports Fund, C. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, D. Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. Option B. National Sports Fund. Fourth one, Section 80C applies on A. Individual and HUF, B. Firm, C. Company, and D. all of these. Option A. Individual and HUF. Fifth one, the maximum permissible deduction under Section 80 DDB in respect of medical treatment of a senior citizen is A. Rupees 40,000, B. Rupees 60,000, C. Rupees 80,000, and D. Rupees 1 lakh. Option D. Rupees 1 lakh. Sixth one, maximum deduction allowed under Section 80EE shall be A. Rupees 50,000, B. Rupees 1 lakh, C. Rupees 1,50,000, and D. no limit. Option D. no limit. Seventh one, maximum deduction in respect of medical insurance premium paid for senior citizen is A. Rupees 25,000, B. Rupees 30,000, C. Rupees 40,000, and D. Rupees 50,000. Option D. Rupees 50,000. Eighth one, Mr. Raju paid his medical insurance premium rupees 10,000 in cash. Deduction allowed under Section 80D shall be A. Rupees 5,000, B. Rupees 10,000, C. Rupees 15,000, and D. nil. Option D. nil. Ninth one, income from Benami transactions shall be included in the income of A. transferee, B. real owner, C. Benamidar, and D. none of these. Option B. real owner. 10th one, the rate of tax on lottery winnings is A. 15%, B. 20%, C. 30%, and D. 10%. Option C. 30%. Thank you for watching this video.